Hey guys, welcome back. If you want to write your very first Java code in IntelliJ IDEA, so what you have to do is just click on this new project, and here I will name it My App 1. My App 1. Now here you have to choose your folder where all your Java codes will save. In my case, it's my Java codes and it's on desktop. And after that, you have to click on this JDK. As you can see that it found my JDK 21. But in case if the JDK is not showing here, then you can click on this add JDK from disk and you have to choose your folder where your JDK is present. Okay, and I will click on this create button here. Now here I don't need this main.java, so I will remove this from here. And I will right click on src and choose one Java package first and name it pkg1 and hit enter. And after that, just right click on pkg1 and choose one Java class. And I will name it hello1 and hit enter. As you can see, the hello1 is here. Okay, I need one man method. So just type here man and hit enter. As you can see, the man method is here. And now I need one println method. For that, we have a beautiful shortcut, and that is s out and press enter. Boom, your println method is here. And I want to print welcome to Java. Welcome to Java. Now press Ctrl S to save the code, and after that just click on this run button. And as you can see guys, that I got the output which is welcome to Java. And that's it for this video guys. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.